To anyone who has been watching my videos lately about this Keidium Levity device, welcome back to my channel. I got some new updates that I want to put on here and share with all the viewers. Some of them are bad news and some of them are good news. So the bad news is it's not really that bad, but my HIV generator circuit overheated last night because I kind of like accidentally left it on the whole night and now it's not functioning. So, but it's not a big deal. I will try to fix it today and maybe tomorrow, and then I will keep up with the experiments later. That's the bad news. Now, the second part of the news, which I would consider good news, is that I have found the right materials that I was looking for to start building a lot of these Levity boxes for all my viewers to get. Usually, I give the schematics to people and then they build the platforms themselves, but I somehow see that as kind of difficult because it's not a lot of, not all of them who get the schematics start the building process, the replication process. Some of them just keep the schematics. They don't really use it a lot. They don't really like start the building process, and that's why I always motivate you to do the experiments. But I mean, it's somehow hard. I can't really blame them because to build the whole thing from the ground and then to finish it off is somehow hard. So, and I think this has been the most difficult part of the journey because the viewers themselves had to build their box using the schematics, which I can confirm was somehow difficult for them. According to what I've heard from them, they said that they didn't have any background in this research in this kind of field. So that's I can't really blame them. I can't really put it on them because I know like how it gets. But I mean, since I got the right materials, now I can do the whole building process myself and then ship the finished box to you. Which I think is going to make the whole building and installation processes a lot easier because I am the one who is doing it myself and I know how to connect everything because I already got a lot of different boxes around here. So I think this is like it's the best way to do it. It's the best way to do it because I mean you can do a lot of mistakes. You can try to do it yourself and then you can miss a wire or you can connect it at the wrong connection and then it causes short circuit and you lose your schematic, you lose the circuit and all that. So I think this is gonna make the whole process easier. Like I will be building the whole thing myself and then ship the finished box. Instead of just giving you the paper, instead of just giving you the schematics and then you gotta do the whole building process yourself. And I think you can also do that if you want to, but um, since I've seen a lot of people, a lot of my viewers who don't really do the experiments, I mean, I was like, okay, I need to do something about it. Like, we gotta be on the same page. I gotta show you like some of the things that we gotta do if we gotta do a certain experiment. I want all of you to be on the same page as me because we will be using the same kind of device. So that is what I want. I don't want to tell to somebody who just have the schematics, didn't try to make the whole functioning device themselves. And I believe this is also going to be a great proof to all those people who didn't believe in my device from the very beginning. I am talking about the haters who didn't really want to listen anything about it, who always were in the comments saying a lot of bad things about it. If they get the platform themselves and then see that it actually works, they will be amazed because they didn't really believe in it in the first place, but they'll be shocked when they get the whole box functioning. So it's the best way that I'm gonna actually do it. Now, this doesn't mean that you can't really ask me for the schematics to build the device yourself. You can totally do that. If you are able to do that, it's totally fine. But if you don't want to go through the whole building process and just want to get the results straight away, I can definitely build the box for you. It depends on what you choose. You are the decider. You are the one who decides. If you want to get the box, you can choose the box. If you want to get the schematics, you can choose the schematics. But the finished product is better. These are the few updates that I had to tell you about, and as I said in my post, don't let anyone discourage you from discovering more about this anti-gravity concept, whether with my platform or any other gravity box out there. You gotta stay focused, and you gotta prevent all this negativity from these scientific communities which don't really believe in this concept of anti-gravity. You gotta try to go away from them because we already know what we're doing and we have proof for that. We already got this thing, the fields which can affect almost anything. We can affect the stones, we can affect the plastics, we can affect the, I don't know, the wood, we can affect the metal, we can affect all these aluminum kind of things, kind of objects. This device, as you have seen from the beginning, it can affect all of it. So don't be discouraged by these people. You gotta stay discovering, because at the right time we will discover something very, very, very important, and which is going to help us get this box off the ground, because that is the mission. There's no other missions. We got that mission in place. That is the only thing that we're gonna do, is to try to lift this whole box off the ground. This is the whole purpose.